Welcome to our channel Auto Luxury Cars. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Rivian R1S, an all-electric SUV that combines adventure, luxury, and sustainability. Let's dive into its standout features, from its rugged exterior to its impressive performance and high-tech interior. Exterior. The R1S sports a bold and futuristic design. Its distinctive LED light bar, robust body, and sleek lines project confidence and capability. With a high ground clearance, durable underbody protection, and massive 21 or 22-inch wheels, it's built for both the streets and off-road trails. Performance. The R1S is a powerhouse. Featuring quad motors, it delivers up to 835 horsepower and an astonishing 908 pound-feet of torque. This SUV sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With a range of up to 390 miles, multiple drive modes, and adjustable air suspension, the R1S adapts to any terrain or adventure. Interior. Step inside the R1S to experience premium craftsmanship. The spacious cabin offers seating for up to 7, wrapped in eco-friendly, vegan materials. A large touchscreen controls Rivian's advanced infotainment system, while a secondary display for climate controls adds convenience. Panoramic glass roofs provide breathtaking views, while clever storage solutions make it perfect for family road trips or outdoor escapades. Safety features. Safety is a priority for Rivian. The R1S comes equipped with a full suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Over-the-air updates ensure the SUV stays at the cutting edge of safety innovations. Prices. The 2025 Rivian R1S starts at $78,000 for the base Explore trim. Higher trims, like the Adventure Package or the Max Pack with extended range, can reach up to $90,000. Customization options are available to make your R1S truly unique. Outro. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the Rivian R1S as we are, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric vehicles. What do you think about the R1S? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.